Yeah, I can actually show you here right now. No fault codes detected. And I have that actuator unplugged, disconnected. So it should be setting an open circuit code for that actuator. And it's not. And I can show you the recirc the recirc button is on. I can hit that. It's not going to do anything because it's unplugged, but that should be uh, setting an open circuit code. And it's not. And I can go into active test here and activate that door. Or at least command it to activate, even though it's not going to move because it's unplugged. But on, off. So it's saying it moved just like I showed you the other day. It's showing on the scan tool that it moved, but it hasn't moved at all. And that should have the HVAC module should have set a code, because it should have sensed that that circuit is open. Let's see. No fault codes detected. And I can cycle the key on and off. I can back out of the scan tool and see, it still doesn't set a code. And that's what I was doing with it yesterday, trying to get it to set a code, and it wouldn't set the code. So that's another indicator that there's a problem with the HVAC module. But anyway, I just wanted to show that to you.